Welcome to Education 24/7. In this tutorial we will discuss about arithmetic operations. So let's begin. Let's open the new project in DevC software. In arithmetic operations there are 5 operators. Plus is equals to addition, minus is equals to subtraction, division, multiplication and modulus. These are the 5 basic arithmetic operations. So let's understand these operations with help of examples. Every operator performs its specific operation, like plus is equals to addition, minus is equals to subtraction, it will subtract two numbers, division, it will divide the two numbers, multiplication, it will multiply numbers. Here we are going to declare two variables, int num1 is equals to 6 and second variable int num2 is equals to 3. Let's perform some operations with help of these numbers. Int sum is equals to num1 plus num2. What's happening in this equation? This part num1 plus num2 will execute first, and whatever its result is, it will store in sum. So always remember, the addition of or operation part or right hand side part of the equation always executes first, and its result always stored in left hand side declared variable. Let's check its result. Printf %d plus %d is equals to %d, comma. Here you can see more placeholders in the printf statement. So always remember, number of placeholders shall always be equal to number of variables. As we have 3 variables, num1, num2 and sum. So first placeholder will get the value of num1, second placeholder will get the value of num2, and the last placeholder will get the value of sum, as it is sequential. So we have written this in a sequence. Let's execute this code and check its results at the output screen. Here you can see that num1 plus num2, it means 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Similarly, let's see the example for subtraction operator. Here we will write int result is equals to num1 minus num2, and to check its output at the output screen we will use this same statement with few changes. As we have a different operator, like we will remove this addition and will write subtraction operator, and similarly we have the variable result here, so we will change the sum into result. Let's execute this code and check the output. Here you can see we have got the output 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. So that is the second output, but you can see that they both are displayed in the same line. If you want the other output to be displayed in the new line, so we will use here \n. \n means line break. After this result, our next result will always be displayed in a new line whenever we use this operator. Like, let's run and compile this code. So you can see at the output screen our new result will be displayed in the new line. You can see over here, like first result 6 plus 3 is equals to 9 is displayed in the first line, and the second result 6 minus 3 is displayed in the other line. Let's check Another example for multiplication. We will use these two variables again. We will change the operator here as we have an operator of multiplication. So let's check its output by having some modifications. And everything is fine. We have used the \n for the new line, and num1 means variable 6, num2 means 3. So let's check its result now. Let's execute this code. Here you can see at the output screen 6 multiplied by 3 is equals to 18. So this is the operator for multiplication. Now one more operator is remaining of division, which are the basics arithmetic operation. So we will use again the same statement and will change its operator, which is division for this time. We will copy the statement and we will paste it in the new line. We will only change its operator. We will write here division and we will write here division. Remaining everything is fine. Now we will execute this code and check its output. We can see it's looking pretty. Every operator is in a different line and we can understand this code very easily. So the fourth operation of 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2, which is also displayed on the output screen. Let's move on to our last operator, which is modulus. We will use again the same statement and will change its operator. We will write here percent sign. This is not the symbol for percent. In C language it means modulus. We will write here again mod. What does this modulus mean in C language? This modulus will display the result of the remainder, like 6 divided by 3. Before executing this code, I want to make it clear that this modulus function basically displays the result or checks the result of the remainder part of the division operation. Like here in this code, we are dividing num1 by num2, which means 6 is divided by 3. In num1 there is a value of 6 and in num2 there is a value of 3. So what this modulus will display on the output, it will display the remainder part of this division. Let's execute this code and get a better understanding here. At the output screen, you can see 6 mod 3 is equals to 0 because 6 is completely divided by 3 and its remainder is 0. Normal division displays the coefficient value, whereas modulus division displays the remainder part in C language. So you should know about its difference. These are the 5 basic arithmetic operators which we discussed in our today's tutorial. If you find any question related to it, you can comment in our comment box or you can join our Facebook page. Stay connected to Education 24/7.